Let's talk about the cover. When you finish your EPUB and you're going to export it, you have some choices to make. So this is my first page, as you can see. Let me zoom out a little bit and you can see how my EPUB is coming along. And I have colored in the first page or the cover of what was a black and white zine. I think it's a little more interesting with some color. And I'm going to test it out. So I'm going to go to File and I'm going to go to Export. And once again, EPUB fixed layout. We're going to keep it like that. So that's totally cool. I'm going to replace the one that we exported before when we were testing the text. And then as far as the cover goes, here when you're exporting it, you have this area with a drop down. And if you choose no cover, you don't have a cover. It's just basically the name of the file. I do not suggest this. It's pretty boring. The other choices are to rasterize the first page, which would be this page you see before you behind this little dialog box here. Or I can choose an image, and if you choose image, of course, you choose the file location. I'm going to go the lazy route right now, and I'm just going to rasterize the first page of my EPUB. I'm going to click OK. It's going to export my EPUB. You can see all the versions in there before, and it's going to launch my EPUB.